Good afternoon, everyone. Uh, we are starting today's program. I'm starting my official responsibility for today. Today is a very important day for IAP Trivandrum because the new office bearers are getting installed, and we know that everything is different. So usually we have very big installation meetings with a great attendance and all, but this time due to COVID we had made it a small function which will be recorded and then will be put in the YouTube for everyone to view. So uh, as always we have our patron MK Cesar as the installation officer. So on behalf of everyone here assembled, I respectfully welcome MK Cesar to our midst. Then we have our own IAP president, Dr. Bennett Salem, who had proved himself as a great leader, motivator, and maybe a trendsetter for any IAP branch, not only in Kerala, anywhere in India. Welcome, sir, to the meeting. We have our national EB board member, Muhammad Kunju sir, who had been with IAP Trivandrum for a very long time, and he has been instrumental in taking IAP Trivandrum as well as IAP Kerala to a to the next level, I may say. Welcome, Kunju sir, to our midst. And we have our incoming president, Santosh sir, HOD and Professor Superintendent of SAT Hospital, a renowned author and a passionate teacher, very dear to all of us as the incoming president. Welcome, sir, to our midst. And on stage, we also have our dynamic secretary, Priya Srinivasan, Bennett sir, who had proved her mettle. She had transformed the COVID time into a new era in IAP Trivandrum and had been a role model for all the branches all over the state. Welcome, Priya. And we have another person who had been in IAP Trivandrum and IAP Kerala doing silent work for years, but never preferred to come to the forefront. That is our incoming secretary, Dr. Praveen. Welcome, Praveen. And one person who is not here is our CB Kurian, who is famous all over the country because of his election song and other activities during the IAP central elections. Welcome, CB. CB had joined in the Zoom. Welcome, CB, to our midst. Then, for blessing our occasion, we have dignitaries from all over the state. I welcome our incoming president, Dr. Jayaraman, who had joined us in Zoom. He would have loved to join us in person if for because of Corona only he is not here. Welcome, sir, for coming to our midst. Welcome, Jayaraman, sir. And the like Jayaraman, sir, we have our President Narayanan, sir, among us. He had been there for all the meetings. I think all the meetings in IAP Trivandrum. Yesterday, he told yesterday's was his last meeting as the official IAP president. So, but you are always with us, sir. Welcome, sir, among us. Then we have Balachandar, who is our secretary and who had been coordinating the activities. We know, secretary usually travels a lot. This time he was not able to travel, but he was there in all branches and for all activities, coordinating everything, maybe omnipresent. So welcome Balachandar with us. Then we have Dr. Joni, who is our incoming secretary. Joni, when I called him, he told he is on duty, but he will join, and he had already joined. Welcome, Joni, to our midst. Then I also welcome all the IAP members and leaders who are here with us in this hall. We have Bindu Madam here, Geeta Madam here, Dr. Ashwati is here, the Prashant is here, Chinjilu is here, Anju is here, Abhiram is here, Anju Kanmani is here. So welcome everyone. And I am seeing Dr. Bindusha, Dr. Kamala, Mary Joseph Madam, Dr. Nisha, Dr. Rekha, and a few more persons in this Zoom. So welcome everyone. So with this, we are going to start the program. Thank you. So now I welcome our President, Bennett sir, for the presidential address.
Respected Chief Guest of the Day, Dr. M.K.C. Nair, sir, former Vice Chancellor Kuhas, and IAP National President 2004, our President-elect 2021, Kerala State, Dr. T.P. Jayaraman, present President Dr. M. Narayan, National Executive Board Member Muhammad Gunji, sir, State Secretary Dr. Balajandar, State 2020-21 Secretary Dr. Johnny, Professor and HOD, and upcoming 2021 District President Professor Santosh Kumar sir, our own Secretary Dr. Priya, Dr. Riyas, Dr. Praveen KS, all the dignitaries who are attending our meeting, and teachers, my dear friends. As you all know, we already completed 1 year of our action plan. And now let us go to the next program, that is for 2021. We are fortunate that we elected an able leadership with Santosh sir, and the next team is excellent in all the respect. And let me, before going to the next person, I like to highlight what are the actions plan we could do in a short span of time. Actually, we started with the Action Plan 20 with the IAP State presented by Dr. M. Narayan, and finally he made it into 40. So we could complete the thing as and when required, and we completed the action plan of IAP State as per the requirements. Then we made our own action plan of IAP 2020. Next slide. As you all know, the most important was awareness on child rights and fight child abuse. Second is social media for child health, hearing friendly Kerala, non-communicable diseases, project for schools, drug-free school campus. Next. Breastfeeding, then previous slide. Okay, this is enough. And all the 20 programs we have done whenever it was required. And sir has made it as a 40 plan. We also followed that. Again, talking one by one, done meticulously one by one as per the direction of the state office bearers, including national election. And we could cast 340 votes from our branch. We expected 337 only. Practically, we could do 340 votes. Next. Involving IAP activities to school children with the support from authorities, we conducted adolescent health, nutrition classes, and life skill education both in high school level, +1 level, and even colleges also. Next, involving school and college students to Clean Kerala projects, implementation of green protocols in school, adequate and clean toilet facilities in school, both private and government. But this we couldn't do because of the COVID situation. Still, we conducted a conference on the Environmental Day, and whenever we got a chance to interact with the teachers, we projected this requirement. Next. Elimination of child begging and child labor in Trivandrum district and POXO awareness program. We conducted a child rights conference itself with the participation of more than 200 people, 200 doctors. And it was a huge success. It was conducted in March 1st. That was before lockdown. Next. Reproductive health training to school students. Conducted reproductive health training to school students in association with the National Service Scheme. We could train more than 2,000 +1 students in Trivandrum district. That was conducted recently only, in addition to the life skill education. Then as accident awareness program, we conducted physical training, especially Dr. Anju and Dr. Priya were the instrumental for doing this program. And BLS program also we conducted because of Dr. Abhiram and Dr. Anju. But these things we did before the lockdown. Next. Sustaining BFHI, complementary feeding and growth monitoring and at Anganwadi level, and involving ASHA workers also. We have conducted programs, both classes and video programs. In the class, we could educate 67,000 Anganwadi teachers all over Kerala, because we made it as we started with a district program, but extended up to the level of state. Next. We could make breastfeeding awareness video for public with the participation of more than 45 doctors and more than 30 non-doctors, and it was uploaded in Trivandrum IAP YouTube. We are fortunate that our former Vice Chancellor, Dr. M.K.C. Nair sir was there. Our mother of breastfeeding, Dr. Elsie Philip Madam also was there in that video. Now the viewership is, just for this video, it is 2,600. Next. Obesity prevention in school with the midday snacking with the vegetables and fruits and avoid junk foods. In that also, we could conduct an online meeting only because schools were not there. Conducted awareness program for teachers in school and college. Elizabeth Madam, Riyaz, myself, and Dr. Priya were conducted these programs for all the levels, from college to up to the level of Anganwadi. Next. Newborn hearing screening. Last month, we celebrated this by district collector, and Trivandrum also declared 100% hearing friendly district. Thanks to Dr. Praveen for doing this job. Next. Immunization coverage to 100% and BPD surveillance, let us make to 100%, both government and private sector. Unable, we couldn't do completely, but whenever the facilities were there, whenever the lockdown was there, not there, we reached the peripheral area, especially Valiyadura and Adimalathura and Pudukuruchi. These are all coastal belts. Their immunization status was little low, and we conducted programs and camps for these places. Next. Asthma awareness program also we made a short film. Dr. CB and Naushid made it as a very short film with 6 minutes, and it was uploaded in the YouTube. And asthma awareness program also uploaded in the YouTube. Rational use of antibiotic, we conducted our district level programs. Our members attended the national TOTs, so it was the program is still going on. Next. Homeboys newborn care in association with the NNF and DMOH Trivandrum. We could organize awareness programs for junior public health nurse in Trivandrum, and it was a huge success. Next. Early detection and care of autistic children, conducted programs for doctors and field staff as part of Disability Week celebration. Thanks to Kunju sir for all the programs. Exclusively for pediatricians, giving importance to physical health and mental health of pediatricians of Trivandrum. This is also our 19th action plan. We started with the Sunday morning walk, but stopped due to lockdown. Made a promotional video with the participation of our members and families, including national leaders. Our national president and national secretary was also there. We got wishing messages from Olympian Shiny Wilson and former Indian football captain I.M. Vijayan. Next. We conducted one-day family tour in May. We planned for that, but unfortunately, because of the lockdown, we couldn't do that. Next. We have conducted around 7 conferences, and all the conferences were, it was a successful conferences. Next. Renewal of registration. Actually, it was registered in 2006, our IAP Trivandrum. Unfortunately, some because of the some problems, renew the registration for the last 14 years. Now the registration is renewed the last month, and now we could retain the name of Indian Academy of Pediatrics Trivandrum branch, and I feel that is the major achievement in the last year. And about our YouTube channel, it was there, but it was not working properly. Thanks to Praveen, Dr. Amit, because of their lot of interest, now the subscription is reached the level of 10 is wrong. That is 13,800. That much subscription is there, and it is helpful for the public. See, we could do this program because of our eminent executive members, led by Vice President Dr. Anju Deepak and Anju Kanmani, our own secretary. She is the most important person because she is always there with me and doing all the work. With her report, we can understand that. Dr. Priya is always there. And Joint Secretary, Dr. C.B. Kurian and Dr. Meena Krishnan, they are always there with as a backbone. Our own treasurer, he is always there, silently working and doing what is required more than that. Next. Magazine, it is the most important thing I like to say. We got a dream when during our installation time. We said that we need an international journal, and we could make it. Initially, our editors were not, Dr. Prashant, and Prashant was not the editor. He was proposed after May only. And with the Prashant and Amit, we could make a magazine. Now more than 7 issues were already published. Now we are making into split the magazine and making it as a journal for this month and one magazine. So 2 things will be there in December issue. And from March onwards, we are going to make it as an international journal. That is our dream, and we are going to achieve that. And fortunately, our next president, Santosh sir, is very much interested, and Kunju sir also is interested. And we can make it as a fantastic journal from our Trivandrum branch. And sports, Dr. Mohanji Shenoy and Karthik Raj took the responsibility when initial members were dropped that idea, and they made a beautiful video, and still they will be continuing with us. And Arts Club, as you all know, Karthik Goban, our Kala Tilagam, and she is continuing as an Arts Club secretary with the help of Dr. Kiran. Next. Zonal leaders, Dr. Suresh, Dr. Dharmaraj, Dr. Hasina, Dr. Sundar Singh, South Zone, Mid Zone, Dr. Pradeep Kidangur, Dr. Manoj Ammar, Dr. Meena Krishnan, North Zone, Dr. Reggie R. Chandran, Dr. Rekha S. Nair, Dr. Anas. Next. And we got an excellent advisory board starting from MKC sir to Kunju sir and Santosh sir, all senior faculties, all senior doctors in health service and ESI service, all senior doctors in private sector. Next. And because of them, we could achieve all these things. Thanks to all for giving an opportunity to work with you. And thank you very much. Be true to yourself, make each day a masterpiece, and help others, by John Burden. And if you light a lamp for someone else, it will also brighten your path. This was the installation thanks message I put. Same thing I am repeating here again. Thank you. Thank you very much. Next is a report by Dr. Priya.
My dear friends, I'm going to present the IIT Trivandrum annual report of 2020. Next slide. Our installation was on December 1st, 2019, and it was done by MKC Naisar at Hotel Residency Towers. Next slide. This is the media clipping. And this was the IUP Trivandrum Presidential Action Plan, which was put forward by Bennett Sir in a huge platform at Sneha Tumbi, a government program. And these were the Lifetime Achievement Awards received by Shabrinathan Sir, PMC Sir. Orations given by MKC Nair Sir, Elizabeth Madam, and we got declared hearing-friendly district. Next. And we got 6 prestigious awards at the Indoor Pedicon, including the Best Branch Award. Next slide. And the YouTube channel crossed 13,700 subscribers. Next. And there were 25 journal articles in national and international journals. There were 5 books released by IIP Trivandrum members and 12 co-authors. Next. And we also did a study. The study is going on. That is the nutritional assessment of beneficiaries of children's homes of Government of Kerala, NAT study. And that is for the IIP Kerala. And we had 27 new members. Next slide. And regarding the week celebrations and the day celebrations, we conducted the ORS week in a huge way. State level inauguration was conducted by us. We did an IEC video including 30 members. Next. We did Anganwadi workers training. Next. 16 hospitals were involved in the ORS week celebrations. And we also did the World Breastfeeding Week celebrations in a big way. The state level valedictory meet. Next. And the IEC video again for World Breastfeeding Week, 30 members were involved. And there were meetings, that is the lactation counselors meeting, nurses meeting, and there was the previous slide. Previous slide. Okay, there was a nurses meeting, Anganwadi workers meeting, and almost all hospitals conducted their own programs for the World Breastfeeding Week, and we had the National Nutrition Week in September. We conducted programs for the NSS volunteers, for the VHSC volunteers, and there were several programs including the poster competitions by PRS, by Anantapuri hospitals, the IEC video. Next. And 7 hospitals participated in the National Nutrition Week celebrations. Next. And teleconsultation of Government of Kerala, we were involved. That is 17 members did 21 sessions. And the World AIDS Day 2019, we did 5 programs. Next slide. 7 programs for the World Disability Day in December 3rd, 2019. Next slide. And this was one of our flagship programs, Jeeva Raksha, that is the emergency management in schools, the teaching program, that is the IIP Presidential Action Plan execution. 9 programs were conducted. We taught TOT training, we gave for 100 school teachers. Next. And 8 of our members did MEMS module in 8 different schools. Next. And we had 4 programs, UNICEF. And these were the programs. Next. And the pulse polio immunization, this was the inauguration by our own minister. And okay, the National Girl Child Day was also celebrated by 4 hospitals. And this is yet another important program conducted by us, that is the International Childhood Cancer Day Marathon. Next. And this was the International Women's Day walkathon, which we did. And next. And for the immunization week in April, 8 hospitals did programs. Next. And the World Environment Day we did in a big way. There were 7 programs, including the inaugural program, which was attended by our own Minister of Forest, Advocate K. Raju. And we also did programs for the BLS Day, Hearing Day, Antibiotic Awareness Week, and Obesity Day. And Immunization Week 4 hospitals conducted programs, and Teenage Day, there were 3 programs. Child Rights Week last month, we did 5 programs. Next. The Newborn Week, again in November, we did 7 programs. And Children's Day on November 14th, 7 hospitals conducted programs. And now we move on to the outreach activity, community activities at Adimalathura, Tolikot PHC, and at Pudukurchi. Now, this is the Adimalathura workshop which we conducted for Anganwadi, that is the ASHA workers, JPHNs, and for mothers. Next, we conducted house visit in resistant immunization areas. And we also released the Jeevamritam nutritional recipe booklet prepared by Elizabeth Madam and Anju Kanmani. And this is the Pudukurchi, the coastal village where we conducted again immunization workshops for ASHA workers. Next. And next comes the charity work. The charity work we did worth 1 lakh rupees, and that was given by the Central IAP. This is the Ponmudi Forest where we, that is Vaidhyuti Yathatha Vanamekhalayil online Padana Saugaryam. Next. At Kanyapuram, we were able to give 4 television sets to 4 school students. Then we went on to, we moved to the Kotur Forest, Durkhada Vanamekhalayil online Saugaryamai Veendum Shishiroga Vidaktar. Next. And this is at Latangara, which is a remote village near Neyatingara, and the Vallakadava, again TV. Then Onakodi, we are able to give for 20 children at Vattugad, again a coastal village. And base bin installation at Regional Ophthalmology Institute, Trivandrum. And next, we move on to the Central IAP. 15 faculties were from our IAP Trivandrum at Indore. And we the antimicrobial stewardship module here in Omna Matthew Hall, and it was inaugurated by our own Basavaraj sir. Next. And Central IAP module 24/7 for 20 problems was conducted by us. Again, RTA GEMS module of Central IAP conducted by IAP Trivandrum. The NTEP module was conducted in our branch. We attended the TOT, NTEP at Chennai, and asthma module at Bangalore. And 11 Central IAP TOTs, the Zoom TOTs were attended by our members. And the digital IAP faculty, 25 of our IAP members were faculty in different digital IAP platforms. Dakshin Pedicon involvement, there were 8 faculties from our branch. And again, interstate faculty in different IAP, IAP branches inside the state. Also, there were 60 in number, total faculty involvement. And UG and PG South Zone quiz was conducted by us. And Akshay and Anupriya got the Neocon first prize. Next. And this is the IAP Kerala certificate, that is the Lactation Counselor certificate distribution, which our district conducted, was the first to conduct the certificate distribution. Next. Then again, the IAP Kerala Presidential Action Plan, that is the asthma awareness program. And again, 8 programs we conducted as part of asthma awareness on Asthma Day in May. Next. And for IAP Kerala, we did the PPE kit distribution for 120 of our members. And we also prepared a PowerPoint slide for usage by members. And again, Presidential Action Plan, the immunization app was hosted by us, and the LTBI workshop was also conducted by IAP Trivandrum. And we attended the first executive board meeting of IAP Kerala in January. And these are our executive board meetings of the district. Next. And these are the Zoom executive board meetings of the state and the district, the participation. And this is a reception organized by IAP Trivandrum to Ramesh Kumar sir, who is the National President-elect 2021. And this was our first monthly meeting in January. And again, this is the first meeting. This is our 2nd February, the monthly meeting in February. And we were the first Zoom. Ours was the first Zoom of the state and probably of the country, because the digital IAP started in April, and we could start the first Zoom of the state in March 27th. And then we started Tuesday series. 28 of them we did from April to September. And we did 9 COVID updates as well. And our Joint Secretary, Dr. Meena Krishnan, could do 13 school sessions over 4 months against tobacco, drugs, and alcohol. And we could do the 10th Annual National Infant and Young Child Nutrition Conference and the 6th International Conference of the Human Milk Banking Association of India last month. Next slide. And there was the Dr. Nirmala Kesari oration by Piyush Gupta, sir. And we conducted the State Child Rights Conference on March 1st with 200 participation. Next. We could do the state level PED Endocon also in Zoom platform with 800 participants. And we could do regional conferences as well, the Katha Sarit Sagra by KIMS Health, Gokulam Pedicon by Sri Gokulam Medical College, Hope and Glory again by KIMS Health, and Scientific Reminiscences by CDC. And this was the sepsis masterclass conducted at SAT Hospital Trivandrum. Ventilation workshops conducted by SAT Hospital Trivandrum. And the pedi clinics conducted by and other ventilation workshops also. And this was the PRS conducted the nursing workshop. Again, CPAP workshop for nurses at PRS, and the BLS training which happened at Loyola School. And adolescent and reproductive health classes in schools, different activities we conducted till February for students, community healthcare workers, teachers, medical officers, and 10 members were included in taking 23 classes till March. And we did death audits, even though it was Corona, we could do it in a month, we could do it monthly. The infant death reviews also we were included. And we revived the monthly newsletter, that is the iaptrivandrum.org, thanks to Prashant and Amit. The Rainbow, that is the e-magazine, two editions came out. And we could do the Mambaram Arts video, thanks to Karthika and Kiran. We could do the Palpayasam just before Onam, 30-member participation by Karthika and Kiran. We could do the Sparkle Sports video with the involvement of 25 members, thanks to Karthik and Mohan Shenoy. And thanks to Sibi, he could do the Ray of Hope, that is the asthma awareness video, and the IAP song for Ramesh Kumar sir. Print media, we had 28 articles which came in print, and there were 60 TV media presence. And these were the Sunday morning walks which we initiated, and we could do 7 or 8 morning walks till the last one, which was in March 8th as part of International Women's Day. And this is the Microgreen Club which we initiated during the lockdown in April, and there were 17 members, and the last member was our own state secretary. So that is it. A huge thanks from the hearts of office bearers to all members of IAP Trivandrum for the support, and special thanks to IAP Kerala and Central IAP. Thank you. Next. Yes.
Next will be installation ceremony. I request MKC sir to take over this.
I think I'll say 2 words and then install then he has to talk. So good afternoon, everybody. I'm so happy to see Mata. So, Vena, Pekka. Okay. Don't take a risk. Okay, agree. Allah. I'm so happy that the youngsters have come forward, the so-called youngsters have come forward to do excellent activity. And if you remember, the government of India is in the plan to make pediatric adolescent department. Are you aware of it? Yeah, there's a move to make it a pediatric and adolescent department. It may take little time, but we had actually 19 successful programs and the 20th one fizzled. That shows that never plan more than 19 because that is our age limit is 19 maximum. So that has worked very well. And Bennett, I would say, energetic young man running around. That's the word I should use about it. He's there everywhere, omnipresent person. And the new president that is coming, I know him for so many years, meticulous, serious, purposeful, and dedicated worker. And an astute clinician, and all these qualities, I'm sure, is going to be helpful in his stint as president IAP Trivandrum. I wish him all the best and I have great honor to install him as the new president. I do solemnly swear that I, Doctor, do solemnly swear that I,
Dr. A. Santosh Kumar,
will faithfully execute the duties of the President of IAP Trivandrum
will faithfully execute the duties of President of IAP Trivandrum
to the best of my ability,
to the best of my ability,
without fear and favor.
without fear and favor.
I will abide by the rules and bylaws of the Academy
I'll abide by the rules and bylaws of the Academy
and serve as a living example of the Academy's philosophy and belief.
and serve as the living example of philosophy of
And I shall hold the dignity of office at all times.
and I shall hold the dignity of office at all times.
Installing officer, now ladies and gentlemen, I declare that Dr. Santosh Kumar is installed as the President of IAP Trivandrum branch for the year 2021.
Thank you.
For acceptance talk, I request Dr. Santosh Kumar to come.
Thank you very much. And I am so happy to accept this responsibility. Actually speaking, at this age of 62, I wanted to keep away from all these ties. എന്ന് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ എനിക്ക് കംഫർട്ടബിളായി എനിക്ക് ചെയ്യേണ്ട കാര്യങ്ങൾ എനിക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമുള്ള രീതിയിൽ ചെയ്യാൻ ഉള്ള ഒരു പീരീഡാണ് ഞാൻ ആഗ്രഹിച്ചത്. But then always there is something that you do beyond what you plan. അപ്പോൾ അതിനുള്ള 2-3 റീസൺസ് ആണുള്ളത്. ഒന്ന്, the request by people whom I can't say no to. And Dr. Riaz is one person whom I sort of trust blindly. So that is one thing. And second thing, I have a very strong team that is there in running my department and running the hospital as a superintendent. And both these situations, actually, I am only the head, like a president of India, who has no power. So all these things are done by the team. So the team members are quite dedicated and quite strong, and hence I got the courage to accept this responsibility. But still I was reluctant. And then Riaz gave me the last എന്താ പറയുക പ്രോത്സാഹനം, and that is Praveen as secretary. And it is at that point that I said, okay, I'm going to take it. Because until then, I was really skeptical whether I should take it or then with this team, I think it should not be very difficult to run IAP Trivandrum. And one for all the community programs, I have Dr. Bennett, because we worked together once. And at that time, in addition to the community program, one of the best ventilation workshop was arranged by him only. So, And in fact, even that idea of ventilation workshop also he came forward with, which I initially objected, because at that time we were suspecting, that was some 10 years back, right? Suspecting we may not be having enough registrations for that cost, because it was a costly affair at that time. So that was 14 years back, but then that was his vision. So please be with me, so that because I personally think that because I was in health service for 3.5 years before coming here. So I think health service is a big, strong area where people, I really believe that health service people work a lot, because I have been working there, so I know it for sure. And that is, after coming to medical college, I felt that my work has actually come down. That is basically because in medical college it is all ജോലി ചെയ്യിക്കുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ്, but they are ജോലി ചെയ്യുന്നവരാണ്. So that makes a lot of difference. And the second thing is, all the changes of this specialty of pediatrics will come through community health. And adinde strong people are the health service people. And I'm so happy that I'll be able to work with health service people again after a gap of some 10-15 years. So let's work together. And regarding private, again, it's a big area where you have to be good all the time, because I have worked in private first and then only went to health service. So I know you have to be on your toes. Apo, private has got its own importance and its own plus points and possibly negative points. So we will have all the, I'll have the benefit of being with health service people and private people. And in addition, as Dr. Riaz pointed out, we must rope in postgraduates and must have programs for them. Because unless the programs are beneficial to them, they are unlikely to take the membership. So we will arrange programs in such a way that they'll come forward and take membership. And basically, we will restrict such classes. Dr. Riaz has got the plan of classes or case discussions, which will be allowing only to members. So much so, the postgraduates who are members will be having this special classes. That will be one of the programs that we are planning. And infant death audit we have been closely associated with, which we will enhance a little bit, because I think Dr. Shankar is the champion. He only knows how to classify and all. I only sit with him. So please go ahead with that, because നമുക്ക് അതിലൊരു ചെറിയ ഗ്യാപ്പ് ഉണ്ട്, which I think will plug. So with this, we have a action, new office bearers. New office bearers for 2021 would be President myself, Secretary Dr. Praveen, Treasurer Dr. C.B. Kurian. He is in Zoom, I suppose. Yes. Vice President Dr. Meena. Joint Secretary Dr. Bindusha and Dr. Anju Kanmani. So we have a small action plan for the coming year. Okay. So as I said, the team concept starts from here. My name is there. but it is prepared by Dr. Praveen. Thank you, Praveen. Next slide. So the improvement of immunization coverage to 100% was envisaged last time, but because of COVID, all immunization coverage dropped, except probably in private, where they were able to call them and give immunizations. So the UIP coverage has actually come down. So we will try to make it 100%. That was the mission last time, but because of COVID, it couldn't materialize. So this time we will try. And along with that, what the IAP opinion on pulse polio this time is that we will give. Last time we had reservations. So this time we will definitely give because the immunization coverage has definitely come down. Next. Universal implementation of metabolic screening, which is right now universal in SAT. So many hospitals are taking it up, and we want all the private hospitals also to come into this loop. Next. Yes, this is a very important program. This latent TB awareness and the treatment has changed, the diagnosis has changed. So we all must be updated, and that include myself also because I couldn't attend this program. So that we'll make sure that all pediatricians of Trivandrum are updated on that. Next. VPD surveillance. Actually, we are right now working hand in hand with the health service regarding this surveillance. But still, we'll enhance a little more. For example, many pertussis cases just go unnoticed and do not look for pertussis because either we do not know that is a part of the surveillance program now or because of some other reason. So we will make sure that all the VPDs are reported to the system. Next. Physical fitness program, I think it is already again Bennett and Priya's program that we will continue. Next. Basic life support training, again for students, the previous office, previous IAP, Dr. Bennett, Dr. Priya and the team have done a lot of work, lot of programs in schools that we will continue and try to make it more obvious to the public. Next. Disaster management, and yeah, we are just working on this, how to do it and all. But this is we will prepare students and teachers on how to tackle disaster. So because disasters are coming one after another in Kerala, so that has got its own importance. Next. Health awareness videos for parents and kids that already there are a few videos in circulation. So we will continue with that. I think the, what are the ones? Okay, next. Journal. We have a journal and newsletter together now going on, which will be now separated into a newsletter and totally scientific journal. Amit and Dr. Prashant will be after it. So there will be a lot of clerical work and computer work and computer listening will be needed, and ISSN number. And I think I'll definitely have to seek the help of MKC sir. And in the next 4 months, I'll be here till April. So next 4 months, I can actually use the people available here under me. Superintendent can give you computer people or people who can do some clerical work. So because if we are planning the first issue by April, then I can get you human resource for that. Next. This is an area that actually we must strengthen, because general practitioners, ASHA workers, field staff, this is the backbone of the so-called Kerala model of health. Because it used to be like when you are in a PHC, the JPHN will know how many eligible couple are there, how many children are there, who are all vaccinated. That sort of list was there during the time when I was in health service. So that has actually come down a little. And general practitioners, for them, pediatrics is a big chunk. Many of them are actually variations of normal. So it is a matter of a few orientation classes before they can manage all those things and avoid unnecessary referrals. Next. Yes, as always, IAP membership drive, for which student membership drive will be given more thrust, because otherwise almost all are IAP members now, because the previous team has made almost all of them members. Next. Yes, again, this is another thing that did not materialize. Again, it is the idea of the previous team. Only because of COVID, it couldn't materialize. So we will this time, maybe after a few months, we will be able to go out on a family tour. Next. Thank you. Thank you very much.
I request 2021 State President Dr. T.P. Jayaraman to address our gathering.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon. Am I audible? Hello.
Yeah, yes, you're audible. Yes, you're audible.
Good afternoon, everybody. Respected President of IAP Trivandrum, Dr. Santosh, outgoing President, Dr. Bennett, past National President, Dr. M.K.C. Nair, President IAP Kerala, Dr. Narayanan, Secretary, Dr. Balachandran, incoming Secretary, Dr. Johnny Sebastian, National Executive Board Member, Dr. Mohammad Kunyu, incoming National Executive Board Member Riaz, and all other dignitaries on and off the dais. It is a great privilege for me to address this gathering on the installation of the new office bearers of IAP Trivandrum for the year 2021. And at the outset, I wish Dr. Santosh, Dr. Praveen, Dr. CB a very good time at their office. And I congratulate Dr. Bennett Salem, Dr. Priya, and Dr. Praveen for the wonderful activities they have done during that period 2020 in spite of the lockdown and COVID pandemic. And I'm very happy to hear about the action plan proposed by Dr. Santosh. I'm very happy that a seasoned academician and author, Dr. Santosh, has taken over as the president of IAP Trivandrum with a lot of plans in his action plan. And I'm very happy that the next year's action plan of IAP Kerala also actually has got so much in concurrence with the action plan he has proposed. So I think both the state branch and IAP Trivandrum will work together to achieve all the targets proposed by Dr. Santosh. Regarding the immunization, which was an important stress given by Dr. Narayanan in his action plan, we all will be continuing the same activity to bridge the gap in the immunization, to popularize the IAP app on immunization. And actually, Dr. Narayanan himself have agreed to take the charge of continuing this program for the next year. And IAP Kerala will be very happy to see that this is the core program IAP Trivandrum is also proposing. And all the other programs like metabolic screening, we actually IAP Kerala will be driving our level bus to extend it to the private sector during the next year. And like in the IAP Trivandrum, actually Shankar has agreed to me to take this forward at the state level, and I'm so happy that it has got a very big place in your action plan, Dr. Santosh. And again, the TB free air program, which was started by Dr. Narayanan, which was a big success in the last year, will be this year also IAP Kerala will be trying to fulfill the activities under the leadership of Dr. Bala and Dr. Ashraf. Both of them were spearheading the cause last year also. And regarding this surveillance activities, infant death audit, adverse events following immunization, I also feel IAP has to go way forward, modifying the activities a little bit, and Dr. Rajmohan and Sachi and all others will be, I think we as a team, we all will be there to improve this surveillance as well as the infant death audit program and adverse events following immunization review and all those things. And also, again, the basic life support and disaster management, also I offer all support from the state side to fulfill your commitment. And again, as you proposed, we are also, IAP at the state level also plan to have a lot of programs for general practitioners as a major action plan with lot of our members, lot of our leaders at the leadership of IMA also. And we are planning whether we can collaborate with IMA and go forward with this program at the state level during the next year as an IAP IMA combined program. So and I wish the very best for your activities to start a journal and also trying to index it and to go forward as a academic journal. With these few words, I propose all my best wishes, and for Dr. Santosh, Dr. Praveen, Dr. Sibi, and all others at IAP Trivandrum. And I feel together we will have a very good academic year 2021 in the days ahead. Thank you all for this opportunity, and with my best wishes, I am signing off. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Next is our dear State President 2020, Dr. M. Narayan.
Yeah. Good afternoon to you all. Respected President, Dr. Santosh Kumar, Chief Guest of the Day, MKC sir, Kunji sir, Dr. Bennett Sailam, Dr. Priya, Dr. Praveen, Dr. Riaz, and my dear friends in IAP Tirunelveli. Yes, yesterday I had attended the meeting of your Tuesday series, and at that time I had said that would probably would be my last meeting as president in Tirunelveli. And I had congratulated each and every one by calling out about more than 24 names. Once more, after seeing the report of Priya, you know, actually Trivandrum with a membership strength of nearly 45 like that is only 14% of the total membership of Kerala. But if you see the report, you have done almost 25% of the activities of Kerala. Because I was going through each and every activity, whether it is child rights or whether it is disability or whether it is even Environmental Day, almost 25% of the activities of IAP Kerala were done by Tirunelveli branch during 2020. So, and most commendable is that you have done classes for about 67,000 Anganwadi workers, and you have very good YouTube subscription. And most important part was that you have retrieved the registration of the association. All this, and also you have gone to the resident areas for immunization and your community services. These things we may not see in other branches. So, and Priya, congratulations to Priya, because your report, because in many branches the activities are done that they are not properly reported. But taking all these things together, I really congratulate you. My thanks to all the Trivandrum branch members, and you have been a major shareholder in IAP Kerala during last year. And definitely Dr. Balendra will agree with me, and he will find your report as one of the most beneficial report for him to present to the Central IAP. And you have heard Dr. Santosh Kumar presenting his action plan, and Dr. For the next IAP year, Dr. Jayaram has also presented some of the action plans. Definitely, IAP is a team. It is a continuum. What was happening in 2020 definitely will be able to continue, and we have to continue as a team. We all work together. And to the incoming office bearers, I wish you all the best in this IAP year. So let us have an excellent IAP year this year too. Thank you.
Next is our own, thank you, sir. Next is our own National Executive Board member, Kunji sir, for a few words.
Okay, our Honorable President, Dr. Santosh Kumar, then Kerala IAP President, Dr. Narayan, President-elect, Dr. Jayaraman, Dr. MKC Nair, and all my dear friends. I won't be taking much time. I will just say that Dr. Bennett and Dr. Priya, along with Praveen, has done an excellent job. And again, when the COVID and the lockdown came, I thought that we'll be going into a limbo. But actually, he has made the adversity into an advantage, and lot of activities. And we were all able to meet together in the web platform. And in addition to all the programs, I think I must say that his charity activity, going to the forest area, making them available, because when the electricity is not available, he thought of giving solar energy to them. So that way, definitely the community activities, and IAP being a community, I think I must say that it is a social organization. And we have all inculcated that social responsibility. And because of that, I think we are continuing the activity in a very selfless manner, because all the people, those who are doing here, we are not doing for any sort of commission or anything. And we are all doing everything in our own, that means a community's interest. And that is being continued. And I'm happy that Dr. Santosh's program of retrieving the lost immunization ground is again the first and foremost program, and all other programs are wonderful. So again, today we are missing the smiling face of Priya. There is always that smiling face which is coming in the Zoom. Is very, very, very encouraging to us, and pleasant to us to watch the program also. I congratulate all the members, including Dr. Prashant, Dr. Amit. I expect that they will be continuing the same support to Dr. Santosh. And in this juncture, I must again thank Dr. Narayan and Balajendra for being a part of the Trivandrum IAP for all the programs. Because of the Zoom, I think they were able to attend all our program. And once again, I thank them also for being a part of the Trivandrum IAP. Again, I thank all the members and all the new members who have joined IAP. And I request Dr. Santosh, being the HOD of pediatrics department, to make this time, his aim must be to make 100% members from the pediatric PG group. That must be your one of the aim for the membership drive. So once again, I thank everybody and for giving all the support. Congratulations again.
Thank you, sir, for the good remarks. Next, I call upon Dr. Balayendar, our own State Secretary, for a few words.
Respected President IAP Trivandrum, our teacher Santosh Kumar sir, our chief guest MKC Nair sir, our state president Narayan sir, TP Jaram sir, Dr. Joni, Riaz, our Kunju sir, and Dr. Bennett Salem, Priya, our incoming, our secretary Dr. Praveen, and Treasurer CB, all my friends from IAP Trivandrum. It is indeed a proud and happy moment for IAP Kerala 2020, especially for my president and for myself, having never seen such a record number of activities by Trivandrum before. We should all appreciate the brainy ideas of our past president, Dr. Bennett Salem, as Priyas has truly said, and also the dynamic secretary Priya's disciplinary approach. I would add 10% more to what Narayan sir has said. Trivandrum has at least 35% of the activities of IAP Kerala State, and I'm sure with young Turks like Amit, Anju, both Anjus, all there, I'm sure Trivandrum is going to rule for a few years more. With their help, and so with the help of Kunju sir, Riaz as National AB member, seniors like MKC sir, Lilitha madam, Elizabeth madam, all this with the seniors, I'm sure Trivandrum can go like this for years to come. With Santosh sir's presence itself is enough with his academic activities. I'm sure Praveen and CB can do a lot of wonders this year also, as both are very much committed to the association. Congratulations to the outgoing team, Bennett sir, Priya and Praveen, for their outstanding work throughout this year. I am thankful from my bottom of my heart to the Trivandrum team for all the help done this year to us. And I also give best wishes to the incoming team of Santosh sir, Praveen and CB. And I am sure they will give the same support as given to us by the outgoing team to Jayaraman sir and Joni Sebastian. And of course, with the blessings of MKC sir as done last year, this team is also going to be a hi-fi this year also. Thank you. See you all at on 13th EB meeting, and physically on 20th for the state pedicon. 19th evening for the state pedicon. Thank you all. Jai Hind, Jai AAP.
Thank you, Bala sir. And now I call upon Dr. Joni Sebastian, who is our 2021 State Secretary.
Hello, sir. I'm audible. Am I audible?
Yes, Joni.
Thank you. Respected President, Professor Santosh Kumar sir, Chief Guest of the Day, and Installing Officer, Professor MKC Nair, dignitaries on and off the dais, seniors, and my dear colleagues. At the outset, let me congratulate the outgoing team under the able leadership of Bennett sir, Dr. Priya, and Dr. Praveen for their wonderful activities during the year 2020, with special mention to those ones with a lot of social commitment. In fact, despite the COVID restrictions, Trivandrum branch was always been there in the forefront of IAP Kerala activities with their non-stop programs. Committed leaders like Professor Kunju sir and my dear friend and guide Riaz sir have always been a pillar of support for Trivandrum branch, as well as for IAP Kerala with their wise and timely suggestions always. Of course, Trivandrum branch is always blessed with a number of leaders like Elizabeth Madam, Shankar Sir, Indumati Madam, Anju Deepak Madam, Dr. Abhiram, Dr. Amit, and Dr. Anju Kanmani, to mention a few. And they have always shown their great commitment towards their organization. And I'm very sure that the incoming team under the leadership of Professor Santosh Kumar, a very popular teacher among students, Dr. Praveen, a very silent, hardworking, and talented secretary, and my friend Sibi, a real multi-talented person, would take IAP Trivandrum to newer heights. I wish them all success. Jai Hind, Jai IAP. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Johnny. Now, time for our Thanksgiving. I request Dr. Praveen, our upcoming secretary, Dr. Praveen, for vote of thanks.
Good evening, all. First of all, I would like to extend my sincere thanks to all the IAP Trivandrum family for electing me as a